This short video is going to show you how to fix a broken zipper. At the end of every zipper track, there's an on and off ramp for that zipper. So on this hooded sweatshirt, I was able to pull the broken zipper all the way to the top and it slid right off. With the new zipper, take a look. It almost looks like an arrow. That way you know which direction to put it on. And you'll see on the left-hand side, I'm just going to slide that back onto the track. Sometimes the material up at top will get in the way. No worries, just give it a little extra pull and it should go right back on. If you're having troubles getting it back on, it's probably because the zipper's too tight. In that case, I like to grab a screwdriver, wedge it into that little opening, see if I can twist it open, and give it just a little bit more space. With that extra space, it should slide right back onto the track. And once it's on the track, I grab some pliers and just pinch that bad boy back into place. Good luck, everyone.